In this video, we'll route the dash and front end wiring. Install the ignition switch using the two small donor screws. Use a 7mm socket to tighten the screws. Guide the power steering wires around the power steering unit. Connect both power steering connectors. Zip tie the wires along the dash as shown. Feed the ignition wires between the dash bar and ignition switch. Connect the wires to the ignition switch. Manual donors will have 2 connectors and automatic donors will have 3 connectors. Push the mirror turn signal wires through the mirror mount. Loosely zip tie the gauge cluster to the gauge mounts. We'll permanently attach it later. Tilt the cluster and install the connector. Feed the turn signal wires under the gauge cluster. Pull the front wiring over the top of the steering rack. Zip tie the wires to the battery box. Guide the wires toward the passenger side, leaving behind the horn wire and the left headlight wire bundle. Zip tie the passenger side wires to the square tube. Pull the left headlight wire bundle to the driver's side and zip tie it in place.